Gun stores can't keep these on shelves. Manufacturers are struggling to meet demand. If you're in the market for a 9mm handgun in 2026, you need to know which models are flying off the racks faster than ever before. Today, we're counting down the 10 9mm pistols that everyone wants. And if you wait too long, you might miss your chance to own one. Number 10. Taurus GX4 XL. Starting our list at number 10 is the Taurus GX4 XL, and there's a good reason this extended version of the popular GX4 is experiencing unprecedented demand. Taurus has been on an absolute tear lately, completely reshaping their reputation in the firearms industry. The GX4 XL takes everything shooters loved about the original compact GX4 and stretches it into a configuration that's perfect for both concealed carry and range use. What makes this pistol stand out is its remarkable capacity to size ratio. We're talking about an 11+1 or 13+1 capacity in a package that's still incredibly manageable for everyday carry. The 3.7-inch barrel provides excellent accuracy while maintaining that slim profile that Taurus has become known for. The grip texture is aggressive enough to maintain control without being uncomfortable for extended shooting sessions. The optics ready slide comes standard, which is becoming increasingly important to modern shooters. You can mount your favorite red dot without needing to send the gun off to a gunsmith for machining. Add in the remarkably competitive price point, typically coming in several $100s less than competitors, and you've got a recipe for a gun that's disappearing from dealers' shelves. First-time buyers and experienced shooters alike are recognizing the value proposition here, and dealers report that when they get these in stock, they're lucky if they last through the weekend. Number 9. Canik MC9. The Canik MC9 has absolutely exploded onto the micro-compact scene, and retailers are struggling to keep up with demand. Turkish manufacturer Canik has built a reputation for delivering exceptional quality at prices that seem almost too good to be true, and the MC9 continues that tradition in spectacular fashion. This micro-compact 9mm brings features typically reserved for guns costing twice as much. We're looking at a fiber optic front sight paired with a blackout rear, match grade barrel quality, and trigger pull that rivals guns in much higher price brackets. The MC9 holds 12+1 rounds in its flush magazine and even more with extended mags, putting it in direct competition with the Sig P365 at a fraction of the cost. What's driving the sales frenzy isn't just the price, it's the fact that this gun punches way above its weight class. Shooters are reporting exceptional accuracy right out of the box, minimal recoil for the size, and reliability that matches anything from more established manufacturers. The Optics Ready variant gives you the ability to add a micro red dot, and the aggressive grip texturing ensures you maintain control in any condition. Budget-conscious shooters who want a premium shooting experience are cleaning these off shelves the moment they arrive, and secondary market prices are climbing for those who can't wait for restocks. Number 8. Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro. Springfield Armory took the already successful Hellcat platform and addressed the one complaint people had. They wanted more grip, real estate, and capacity. Enter the Hellcat Pro, and boy, has the market responded. This gun represents the sweet spot between micro-compact convenience and compact gun shootability. The Hellcat Pro extends the grip to accommodate a 15-round magazine as standard while maintaining a remarkably concealable profile. The 3.7-inch barrel provides excellent ballistics while keeping the overall package compact enough for appendix carry under nothing more than a t-shirt. Springfield included their excellent U-Dot sight system, which provides lightning-fast target acquisition while maintaining precision at distance. The gun comes with an ambidextrous magazine release, adaptive grip texture that's comfortable yet functional, and Springfield's excellent warranty and customer service backing it up. What's really driving demand is that this gun fills a gap that many concealed carriers didn't even realize existed, something that bridges the gap between tiny pocket guns and full-size service pistols. It's small enough to disappear under clothing, but large enough to shoot like a much bigger gun. Range officers report seeing more Hellcat Pros than almost any other model, and concealed carry instructors are recommending them with increasing frequency. The combination of capacity, concealability, and shootability has created a perfect storm of demand. Number 7. Glock 43X MOS. Glock's reputation for reliability is legendary, and the 43X MOS modular optic system represents their refined approach to the slimline carry gun market. This isn't a revolutionary design, it's an evolutionary one, and that's exactly what Glock buyers want. The 43X MOS takes the proven Glock reliability, pairs it with a slim profile perfect for concealment, and adds modern features that today's shooters demand. The 43X MOS features a slightly longer grip than the standard 43, accommodating a 10-round magazine that makes the gun much more controllable. The MOS system allows for direct mounting of popular micro red dots, which has become increasingly important in the concealed carry world. Glock's safe action trigger system remains unchanged, providing the consistency and reliability that Glock owners have trusted for decades. Why are these selling out? Simple. Glock buyers are loyal, and when Glock updates a popular platform with modern features, those buyers show up in droves. The aftermarket support for Glock pistols is unmatched, meaning you can customize every aspect of this gun to your preferences. Holster availability is never a concern. Spare parts are everywhere, and every gunsmith in America knows how to work on Glocks. Add in the Shield Arms aftermarket magazines that boost capacity to 15 rounds while maintaining the slim profile, and you've got a gun that checks every box for serious concealed carriers. Dealers report that allocation is tight, and many are starting waiting lists for the first time in years. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0 Metal. Smith & Wesson shocked the market when they announced they were bringing back a metal-framed version of their popular M&P platform. The shooting world has been dominated by polymer-framed pistols for decades, but there's been a growing movement of shooters craving the feel, balance, and aesthetic of a metal-framed gun with modern features. The M&P9 M2.0 Metal delivers exactly that. This gun combines a lightweight aluminum alloy frame with M&P's proven polymer grip panels, creating a hybrid design that offers the best of both worlds. The metal frame provides excellent weight distribution and reduced felt recoil compared to its polymer counterpart, while the modern grip texture ensures control in all conditions. The gun maintains the excellent trigger of the M2.0 series, flat-face design, crisp reset, and short travel that competitive shooters love. Capacity is standard M&P 17+1 with the included magazine, and the gun is optics ready, accepting most popular red dot sights. What's causing the shortage is that Smith & Wesson dramatically underestimated demand for this model. They thought this would be a niche product for traditionalists, but instead they've discovered that shooters of all types appreciate the refined shooting characteristics that a metal frame provides. Competition shooters love the reduced recoil, range enthusiasts appreciate the classic feel with modern features, and even some law enforcement agencies are taking a second look. Production simply can't keep up with orders, and dealers are reporting months-long backlogs. Number 5. CZ-P10C Czech manufacturer CZ has always had a devoted following in the United States, and the P10C represents their successful entry into the striker-fired polymer pistol market. This compact 9mm has been steadily building momentum, and in early 2026, it's reaching a fever pitch that's leaving gun store shelves bare. The P10C features one of the best stock triggers in the industry, crisp, light, with virtually no take-up and a clean break that surprises first-time shooters. The fiber-reinforced polymer frame is incredibly durable, and the grip angle feels natural to most shooters, especially those transitioning from the 1911 platform. Standard capacity is 15+1, and the gun features aggressive grip texture that works even with sweaty hands. What's driving the current shortage is a perfect storm of factors. First, CZ's production capacity for the US market is limited, and they're struggling to meet demand across their entire product line. Second, the shooting community has finally discovered what CZ enthusiasts have known for years. These guns are exceptional. Online reviews are overwhelmingly positive, and word-of-mouth recommendations are at an all-time high. Third, the price point sits in that sweet spot where it's affordable for most buyers, but high enough to signal quality. When guns arrive at dealers, they're typically spoken for before they even make it to display cases, with many shops maintaining lengthy waiting lists. Number 4. Walther PDP Compact. Walther has long been respected in firearm circles, but the PDP Performance Duty Pistol series has elevated their status to new heights. The PDP Compact specifically has become the darling of the concealed carry and competitive shooting worlds, and supply simply cannot keep up with demand. The PDP Compact features Walther's excellent super terrain all-terrain slide serrations, providing grip in any condition, and their performance duty trigger, which many consider the best striker-fired trigger available out of the box. The ergonomics are exceptional, with 3 interchangeable back straps allowing you to customize the grip to your hand size perfectly. The optics ready slide accommodates virtually any red dot on the market, and the Tenifer coating provides excellent wear resistance. Standard capacity is 15+1, and the gun ships with 3 magazines, which is unusual generosity in today's market. What's creating the shortage is that the PDP has become the gun of choice for serious shooters who want one pistol that can do everything. It's compact enough for daily concealed carry, accurate enough for competition, and tough enough for duty use. Professional instructors are increasingly recommending it, and as more shooters try them at the range, word spreads. Walther's production allocation to the US market has always been limited, and despite increases, they're months behind on orders. Some dealers report that customers are willing to pay premiums over MSRP just to avoid waiting. Number 3, Sig Sauer P365 X-Macro. Sig Sauer revolutionized the micro-compact market with the original P365, and they haven't stopped innovating. The X-Macro takes the P365 platform and stretches it just enough to create what many consider the perfect everyday carry gun. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a game changer, and the market is responding accordingly. The X-Macro features a 17-round flush-fit magazine in a package barely larger than the original P365. Think about that. You're getting double-stacked 1911 capacity in a gun you can comfortably carry appendix style. The 3.7-inch barrel provides excellent velocity and accuracy, while the X-Series grip module offers exceptional ergonomics and control. The optics ready slide accommodates SIG's excellent Romeo Zero Elite or any other compatible micro red dot. The trigger is crisp and consistent, the grip texture is aggressive without being abrasive, and the overall package is refined to a degree that only SIG seems capable of achieving. What's causing the shortage? This gun has become the standard by which all other carry guns are measured. When someone walks into a gun store asking for a concealed carry recommendation, this is what knowledgeable staff point them toward. It conceals like a micro compact but shoots like a compact, and it holds more rounds than many full-size service pistols. SIG can't manufacture them fast enough, and with limited production capacity, allocation is tight across all dealers. Many stores receive just a handful per month and they're gone within hours. The secondary market is active, with used examples commanding prices close to new MSRP. Number 2, Staccato CS. Breaking into the number 2 position is the Staccato CS, and this gun represents a different category entirely. This is a 2011 style pistol, a double-stacked 1911, engineered to perfection and priced accordingly. At over $2,000, this isn't an impulse purchase, yet they're disappearing from inventory faster than guns a quarter of their price. The Staccato CS carry size features a forged aluminum frame, bull barrel, and hand-fitted components that create a shooting experience unlike anything else. The trigger is sublime, crisp, light, with zero creep and a glass rod break that must be experienced to be believed. Accuracy is exceptional, with most shooters achieving groups they didn't think possible with a carry-sized pistol. The grip safety and manual safety satisfy those who prefer 1911 style controls, while the double-stack magazine provides 16+1 capacity. Why are these selling out at this price point? Several factors are converging. First, the quality is undeniable. These are hand-built pistols that will last multiple lifetimes. Second, more law enforcement agencies are approving them for duty use, creating a market beyond just enthusiasts. Third, competitive shooters are discovering that these guns provide a significant advantage in carry. Optics divisions. Finally, there's a growing segment of the market that's willing to pay for the absolute best, and Staccato represents the pinnacle of production 2011 pistols. Production is limited due to the hand fitting involved, and demand far exceeds supply. Dealers often require deposits just to get on waiting lists that can stretch 6 months or more. Number 1, Shadow Systems CR920 Elite. Taking the top spot on our list is the Shadow Systems CR920 Elite, and if you're not familiar with this brand, you need to be. Shadow Systems started by building exceptional Glock-compatible pistols, and they've evolved into creating completely original designs that are taking the market by storm. The CR920 Elite is a micro-compact 9mm that manages to outglock Glock in many ways. The gun features a proprietary frame design with exceptional ergonomics, a match-grade spiral-fluted barrel for weight reduction and cooling, and Shadow Systems' excellent trigger that's leagues ahead of stock Glock. Triggers. The optics ready slide accommodates Shield RMSC footprint optics, and the gun ships with impressive night sights as standard. What sets the CR920 Elite apart is the attention to detail. The frame texture is perfectly executed, aggressive where you need it, smooth where you don't. The trigger guard is undercut for a higher grip, the magazine well is flared for faster reloads, and the slide features precision cut serrations front and rear. Capacity is 13+1 with the flush magazine or 15+1 with the extended version, and despite its compact size, the gun shoots with minimal muzzle flip. Why is this the #1 gun selling out right now? Shadow Systems has created something special. A gun that combines Glock reliability with refinements that Glock should have implemented years ago. The price point is reasonable, typically just slightly above Glock, but the value proposition is extraordinary. Shooters are discovering that they can buy a CR920 Elite and never feel with a need to modify it, whereas most Glock owners immediately start swapping triggers, sights, and other components. The shortage is real and severe. Shadow Systems' production capacity is limited, and they've been overwhelmed by demand. Many dealers report allocation of just 1 or 2 units per month if they're lucky. The gun has become so popular that some are comparing it to the early days of Glock's dominance, when getting your hands on one required either luck or connections. Online forums are filled with people seeking these pistols, and when they appear on gun auction sites, bidding quickly escalates beyond retail price. There you have it, the 10 9mm handguns that everyone's trying to get their hands on in January 2026. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option like the Canik MC9, a refined carry gun like the P365 X-Macro, or a premium option like the Staccato CS, the common thread is clear: supply can't keep up with demand. If you're serious about adding any of these to your collection, don't wait. Contact your local dealers, get on waiting lists, and be ready to act when opportunity knocks.